How to enable dictation on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then scroll down and tap on the keyboard option you see there. Further scroll down again and you will see the option for enable dictation. Go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for enable dictation in order to enable dictation on your iPhone. So, this was about how you can enable dictation on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.